Great. Well, I didn't realize I had the camera off, but I got a bunch of crappie, and they're big. So that sucks that the camera wasn't on. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 crappie. They're really nice ones. Really sorry you guys couldn't see that. God dang it. Oh, there's one. There's one. Oh, he's big. Oh, it's a big crappie. It's a really nice crappie. Oh, come on. Yes. Yes. Oh, this 11-inch rod is so weird trying to net them. I'm so used to bass fishing, but... Oh, that's a stud. Look at that freaking crappie, man. Look at that fish. Oh, that is a freaking stud. Yes. All right, let's see if I can't make something out of this mess yet. Try to reposition here and maybe get on the other side of the sun. Might be on my back instead of my face. So like I was saying earlier, around this structure the owners have come and put trees around here. They're really bushy. So I don't want to get into them too much, like that. You get hung up in them. Just got hung up there, but it came loose. So I'm really wanting to draw these crappie out of the trees. So I want to just kind of put it right above them. I think they're about 4 foot under the water is where they start. Oh my gosh, I had one on the whole time. There, I was messing around trying to get my sun shield on. My face is starting to burn, and I got a dang crappie on. My pole leaves me. This one's not as big, but still a keeper. Still a keeper. Heck yeah. Well, this beautiful black stripe on them. These magnolias. God, they're thick, aren't they? Even the little ones. Heck yeah. There we go. Another one for the freezer. There's a lot of shad in this lake. It's primarily what they're eating. Almost solely what they're eating, honestly. What I'm using is a little sickle head and a Lake Fork Lures little crappie jig. And a red chartreuse. When you're crappie fishing, like I said, I'm not the expert by any means, but do try to make sure your knot is even on the jig head so your jig head sits properly in the water. That will assist you in your endeavors. Also don't like that my shadow's casting over them. So I'm probably going to reposition this way. People don't give fish a lot of credit, you know, they think they're just some dumb creatures. But they got instincts like anything else. And for example, when it comes to shadows, if they're used to sitting in a place and as they're going about their day and there's no shadow on them and all of a sudden there's a shadow on them, they're gonna feel weirded out by that. Oh crap. I had a fish on. I was sitting here trying to move and I had a fish on my jig. It wasn't big, but it was there. That's a bass. Yeah, that's what I thought. Bass. I was kind of worried of. Figured if I came over here, I was going to start catching bass. They're super fun. I mean, don't get me wrong. But, you know, I'm after crappie and tilapia right now. I will be after bass later. But I need something a little more substantial than this, though. There we go. You too little to keep? Yeah, you're a little too small. You would eat good. The little bass eat best, in my opinion. Oh, bass? Yep, there's a bass. The real reason I'm over here is because last time I was here I saw some tilapia over here, so I'm like kind of trying to find them. There we go. Tiny. Not the fish I'm after. I'll probably make my way back to the dock here and offload these fish. The thing is, a full stringer on a kayak really kind of weighs you down quite a bit. It's actually pretty inconvenient. Makes your kayak drag to one side. Ah, big crappie. All right. Oh, still trying to get used to that long rod. It's kind of a pain out of a kayak, but there we go. On aboard with the crappie crab. Oh, there he is. Oh, that's a big fish. Big crappie. Too hard, no pull too hard. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Another nice crappie. Oh, that is so exciting. I love bass fishing, but it is nice to have a change every now and then. And crappie are just kind of the perfect change. Oh, there he is. Sweet little Mongolia. Oh, it's pretty. Look at that dark stripe. More importantly, look how thick that crappie is. Oh, there he is. Oh, that's a really nice crappie. That's a really nice crappie. That's the biggest one by, I wouldn't say by far, but biggest one yet. Yes, just heavy. They're not long, but my God, they're just heavy. Heck yeah, God, just beefy. Look how beefy that fish is. They do not call them slabs for nothing. All right, let's get back in there. That's a crappie or bass. That could be a bass. Nope, just a nice crappie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is I might have to weigh that one. That one's heavy. That one's really heavy. Oh my gosh. Wow. Golly. They're so fat. These are gonna be excellent slabs. Oh, I don't think that one's gonna break 2 pounds, but it's free to check. Nah, it's only 1.5 pounds. God, it just doesn't look like it. I mean, they're just so thick. 14 inches. Alright, you know what? This thing hasn't been retied in quite a while. But at the same time, they're just so damn cheap, I don't care. Yes. Oh, we got another one. Oh, we got another one. It's another nice crappie. Yes, it is. It's another nice crappie. And they are just loading up. I don't know if it was the color change. Man, I no clue, but there he is. Oh, that one's pulling hard. That's another really nice crappie. Yes. Another big black stripe on them. Isn't that crazy how thick they are? So pretty. And they're a pretty fish. New plastic, new color, new position. New is better for all. Surprised I haven't caught more bass out of here. I think my camera was actually off. Oh, dang it, I freaked out for no reason. I think my camera was actually off this morning when I pulled up here the first time, and I caught 4 or 5 fish. Oh, there he is. There he is. There we go. Back on, back on. All right, I think I got to start doubling up actually. There we go. Another one on the stringer. Heck yeah, man, this is freaking, oh, I love this. And I cannot tell you the last time I've seriously gone after crappie. Oh, this is fun. Well guys, I think I'm going to call this video here for the crappie fishing video. It's getting really hot and the fishing's really slowed down. I think I've got at least a dozen or so to clean. I will see you guys back at the dock and I'll show you my final catch. Alright guys, we're back here at the dock and just wanted to show you my catch real quick before we cleaned it up. So far I think I got a total of 14 crappie. As you can see, some of these are just absolute slabs. You know, they're good 13-14 inch crappie, very thick. I got a lot of work ahead of me. We have a few bass in there. I know I've said this before, but I'll say it again because I know people really have a hard time with people eating bass. We keep some bass out of here from time to time as long as they're within a slot limit to help promote the goals of the property owners. So with that out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Thanks for watching, and I got a lot of cleaning to do.